Hi everyone, today we are going to make Japanese Oyako Don, which is chicken and egg rice bowl. These are the ingredients we are going to use today: broccoli, enoki mushroom, onion, carrots, chicken thigh, and eggs. Slice the onion. Separate the enoki mushroom and cut in half. This is optional. If you don't have it, you can skip. Cut the broccoli into small pieces. Cut the chicken thigh into small pieces. We already pre-sliced the carrots. For the sauce part, we need 2 tablespoons of mirin, soy sauce, and cooking wine. Then add in 2 teaspoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of bonito powder to make it more flavorful. On medium heat, add some oil and put in onions first. When onion becomes soft, you can add in chicken thigh. After chicken is almost cooked, add in enoki mushroom. After stirring for 2 minutes, add in the sauce and 100 ml of water. Cook for 5 minutes. Then add in carrots and broccoli. Let it cook for a bit, and then we can start to prepare our eggs. Crack all the eggs in a bowl and slightly beat the egg. When all the vegetables are cooked, add in the eggs. I like to add half first, let it cook for a bit, and add the second half. The reason why it is called Oyako Don is because in Japanese, Oya means parent, Ko means child. So in this dish, there are chicken and eggs, which are the parent and the child. Thanks for watching our video. We release videos every week. If you like more contents like this, smash the thumbs up and subscription button below. Thank you for your support. See you in the next one. Bye bye.